Peninsula House is designed as a contemporary farmhouse, set on agricultural farmland on the rugged coastline of Victoria's Mornington Peninsula. Presented as a striking pavilion structure, the large residence appears almost civic in scale, with its rectangular form standing alone on a ridge. Embedded within the conceptual framework of Peninsula House is a series of dichotomies, experiences and journeys that come together to create a monolithic yet enveloping and intimate home. As a large site, one of the key concepts driving planning and placement is about creating anticipation. As Director Chris McCue explains, we wanted to create a journey that meanders through the landscape, providing opportunities for installation like art that takes shape from the landscape itself. The journey from the front gate to the house is centered around the idea of condensing and revealing views in important places, and then those views disappear again as you find the house. The architectural form then follows this line of thinking, taking cues from the rural site and the client's views, emerging as a single pavilion volume, focused towards the water, a concept that Principal Sue Carr says has never wavered. The initial vision first presented to the client remains true throughout the entire process.